Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make tamago to seri no soup. It's very simple and easy egg soup that you can whip up in no time. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this tamago to seri no soup. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some seri, Japanese parsley, 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons of Chinese soup stock or chicken stock, 1 tablespoon each of sesame oil and potato starch or cornstarch, and some salt. Seri is a type of Japanese herb. It's often translated Japanese parsley, and it tastes like somewhere between parsley and watercress, my favorite Japanese herb. If you can't find this, you can simply pass it, or you can use other type of parsley or watercress. The bottom part is a bit dried, so let's cut it off just a little bit. And stalk into little pieces. And the leafy part, rather big. Four eggs into a small bowl and beat well. Three cups of water and the soup stock into the pot. That's 2 and 1. The soup stock, and just bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat off. Add 1 tablespoon of water into the bowl of starch. Mix it well. Then add to the pot as you stir. Turn the heat back on and bring it to boil again. Now it's boiling. Let's add the eggs little by little as you stir the soup. Then stalks of the parsley. Give it a stir. and the leafy part. Adjust the saltiness to your taste. Turn the heat off and sesame oil. Give it a stir. And it's done. Let's serve in the soup bowl. And 卵とセリのスープ is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The Japanese parsley is very aromatic, and the hint of sesame oil makes it so flavorful. Easy on your stomach and delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 卵とセリのスープ goes here, and how about 焼肉おにぎらず which will also cover the main here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but I think I want to have もやしとほうれん草のサラダ for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh my palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye.